create front and rear cladding grid. For that, select this one, then go to copy properties, then go to steel, select here beam, then click any location, just create like this. Then go to grid 2. For that, go to the view, select here view list, select grid 2. Here it is grid 2, what we created, here it is. Select this one, right click, move, click this location and place it like this. Don't expand. Then go to work plane parallel to view plane. Click this location, you will get it like this. Select this one, right click, move special, linear, make it 530, then move and click OK. Expand. Go to this side, select this one, press Ctrl 1, you can see very clearly. Select this one, right click, move, click this location and place it here. Then go to the top view, this zero elevation. For that, go to the view list. Here it is plan. Double click this one, it will open. You can see here it is placed like this. Press Ctrl 1. You can see here this one is placed perfectly. Now select this one, but we don't want this much extension. We need it up to here only. So I just make it here 0. Here also I just make it here 0. Then modify. Select this one. Press Alt in your keyboard. Then you have to select like this. Right click, move, click this point, place it here. Similar way, we need to make it here also. Select this one, press Alt in your keyboard, you can select like this. Right click, move, click this point, place it here like this. Now we need to split this one. For that, I just go to this grid A, go to the view list, select here grid A. Now I just go to edit tab, select here split, select this one and I click here, it will split. Select this one, click here, it will split. Similar way, select this one, click here, it will split. Repeat the same. That's all. Press escape key, select this one, delete it. Select this one, delete it. Now we need to create connection. For that, go to 3D, press Ctrl tab, you can go to the 3D. Select any purlin connection, then apply and OK. Next, go to the component. Here it is in edit tab. Select here create current connection. Click the column, click the grid, press mouse center button. Now just double click this one, make it here UPN 350. Just go here, you will get it profile catalog. Then go to UPN. Here it is UPN. It is 350. Then modify. So now you can see it is perfectly placed. Press Ctrl or click here. You can orbit and you can see the connection. Perfectly it is placed. The same connection we need to apply all the area. For that, modify, apply and OK. Then go to the component, create current connection, select this column, press the mouse enter button, repeat the same, select the column, select the grid, press the mouse enter button. Now this connection is finished. Press escape key, select this one, press control, and we need to select this all the things. Now you can see here y direction is here. If you want, you can change that one also. Just keep as it is. Right click, then go to the PDF. You can see here 1 2 3 4 5, and here it is 6. Seventh one we need to change, so make it 6. Right click, copy special, linear, y direction 1200, make it 6 quantity, then copy. Within few seconds all the thing will copy like this. Now we need to create another levels. Press escape key, then click outside, select this one, select this one, select this one, make it 1100, one quantity, copy. So now this one is placed, but we need to create this area also. For that, select any one. I select this one, press Ctrl, or you can see very clearly this location. Then right click, press escape key, right click, copy, click this location exactly, click this endpoint exactly, then go to this side and I click here. So now this one is placed perfectly in line. Now I go to press Ctrl tab, you can go to this side, you can see here it is placed like this. Now I just select this connection and delete it. Here also I delete it, here also I delete it. Similar way we need to do the same here also. We don't want here. Then we need to make center line. For that, just go to edit, select here construction line, click this midpoint and I click here. Now you can select this one, press Ctrl and you can select like this. Press Alt in your keyboard, you can select like this. Then right click, move, click this point, place it like this. Similar way we need to make it this side also. Only this one. Go to the construction line, click this point, place it like this. Then press Ctrl and we have to select these three. Press Alt and you have to select like this. Right click, move, click this point and place it here like this. Now we don't want this connection, so just delete this and all. So now here it is. Next we need to select this one. Press Alt and you have to select like this. Right click, move, click any location, any point, again place it like this. Similar way we need to do this side also. Select this one, press Alt, right click, move, click any location, same location we need to click the location and place it here like this. Now this one is finished, we don't want this line, delete it. Then select this one, right click, copy special, linear, make it 1200, one quantity, copy, here it is placed. Press escape key, then select this one, make it 1100, one quantity, here it is. Then select this one, make it 700, one quantity, here it is. Just keep as it is. Then press Ctrl, you can select these all the things, you can place it here also. Before that we have to do one more thing, we need to remove these connections. remove this connection, press Ctrl, press Alt key, select like this, right click, move, click this point, place it here. Similar way we need to do it here also. Select this one, press Alt key, right click, move, click this point, any point, place it here. Exactly perpendicular you have to place it. Now we just need to copy this one. Press Ctrl and select together this 4. Then right click, copy, click any point. I just click this point and place it here. You can see it is placed. Now press Ctrl tab. We can go to the 3D view. Here it is placed, but we need to create the connection. For that, just double click this connection, then go to apply and OK. Then go to edit, select here component, create current connection, select this column, select this one and this one, press mouse center button, repeat the same. Now you can see here you will get it the connection perfectly. Repeat the same another area also. Go to the current connection, select the column, select the git, press the mouse center button. Here it is. Repeat the same. So now this connection is perfectly created. Now just double click this side connection. You can see here this side connection, double click, then go to clit, make it here UPN, go to U profile, select here UPN 350, then apply. OK, don't modify, just apply and click OK. Then go to the component, select here create current connection, select this one, press the mouse center button, you will get it here connection. Now you can see here it is connection. Then if you are getting connection like this, you can double click this connection, then go to the general, change here any direction. If you change the direction, you can see here depends on the direction you will get it the change like this. You can change one by one, so you will get it at a point, you will get it perfect connection. Now I just make it here like this, here it is perfectly, you will get it connection like this. So just change this one, you will get it perfectly. Now I just modify, apply, OK. Then go to the current connection again, select this one and select this one, press the mouse center button, here it is. Similar way we need to do it here also. Select this one, press the mouse center button, select this one, press the mouse center button, here it is. So now we finished. Before that we need to do one more thing. Here this connection is not created, so double click this connection, apply and OK. This side is finished, but this side we didn't finish. We need to do that connection the same way. So this one finished and here already finished, this one is finished and here it is finished. So everything finished. So this is all the connection we finished. Now we need to do these all the things we need to select and we need to make it to that side. So for that, just go to the grid A. Here it is grid A. Right click, redraw. You can select all the things. This all the things. Press Ctrl and we can select all the things. Then we need to select this one. Press Ctrl and we have to select like this. Carefully we need to select. Press Ctrl, select like this. Select this also. Carefully need to select without missing all the things we need to select. Press Ctrl, select like this. So now this side what we created, all the things we selected. Next, go to the plan view, press Ctrl tab, you can go to the next view. So this is our plan view. So now we can see here we need to make it here. For that, this is our middle. So I just go to the view, select here work plane parallel to view plane. Now I just click here, you will get it like this. Then right click, copy special, mirror, click this dgrid, click here, then I click here, then I go to the copy. Within few seconds all the thing will copy to that side. Expand. Now you can see here everything copied. Press escape key, click outside, then go to the control tab. You can go to the 3D view. You can see here this side and this side it is created.